Violence marred the demolition of homes of informal settlers at the Calaanan compound in Caloocan City this morning. At least 3 policemen were reported hurt after being hit by rocks thrown by resisting residents. More from this report.
Ricky's family is only one of the 500 families affected by the demolition at Barangay 86, Zone 8, Calaanan compound in Caloocan City. This was after Caloocan Regional Trial 128 issued a writ of demolition order of Judge Eleanor Ong on the 5,000 square meter land. Ricky said that they are still hopeful that they will be given financial aid or a decent place to live in.
Dito na ako pinanganak 36 na ako ngayon. Kaya ganun katagal.
Paano kayo na ngayon?
Wala, dito lang sa kalsada. Ay yung mag-aantay ng tutulong. Ay wala namang magagawa kahit anong gawin. Kundi sumunod. Masasaktan ka lang pagka umanong ka dahil lumabang ka pa.
Tension rose in the area Tuesday morning as the sheriff served the demolition order. Branch Sheriff Marvin Paul Batcho said the police and members of the demolition team had a row with the residents of the compound. 3 policemen were wounded as they were hit with stones, wood, and sumpak.
Expected sana namin magiging peaceful yung demolition. Kaso nga lang, unexpectedly, marami ng bato. May namaril pa, meron tayong kapulisan na tinamaan sa hita. Sana nga lang maging peaceful. Kaso may maximum tolerance naman natin, kaso wala tayong magagawa.
Batcher revealed the 13-page demolition order.
Papel ko lang dito, sir, sa sheriff, sa court, magpapatupad na po ako ng court order, papatupad ko lang po yung writ of demolition. Yun o. Saka yan, sir, dumaan ng mga pre-demolition conference yan. In-inform natin sila, yung mga lead agencies, in-inform din natin. Ang expected nga natin, magkakaroon sana peaceful demolition sana.
Houses were taken down in accordance to the order. Although tension in the area has subsided, these are evidence of the rift between the law enforcers and residents. Officials of the Caloocan Regional Trial Court and authorities hope that the next measures of the demolition area will be implemented amicably.